Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah. This is the look that we'll be doing today, so stay tuned. So as fall approaches, this is the perfect time to bring out those warm colors in your makeup palette. I started off using a white base this time because the colors that I'm using, I really want those to pop. This look is very easy to achieve. I only use 4 colors. And the thing with makeup is you want to just go back and forth and blend everything. So throughout the video, you will see me just going back and forth from the eyeshadow to like my foundation, making sure everything is uniform. So I'll be going in with this burnt orange color from MAC. If you don't have these specific brands, all you need is a makeup palette and just find the color as close as possible, because when you're starting off with makeup, you really got to work with what you have. You don't want to end up being like a product junkie and just buying everything that you see people use. That's what I used to do when I started doing makeup until I found some things that work for me. Now, I'm all about trying new stuff, but if it's working for me, then I'm going to just keep using it. Next, I went in with a dark brown, and this is going to be my outer crease color. And then I'm going to go in like with a forest green, and I'm just going to pat that all over the lid and build it up until I get the desired color. Then I went in like with this light tan color for my brow bone. I'm not sure if people still do this in makeup, but I do because I like it. What's your favorite season? I mean, mine's is fall because I feel like, first of all, brown is my favorite color. And then secondly, I just love like that perfect weather, the flannels, the jeans, and then you start getting ready to pull those boots out. Come on, September the 22nd. Make sure that when you're putting your makeup on that you're taking a step back, you're looking in different mirrors and angles to make sure that you getting everything right and as perfect as you can get it. But is this green not cute? When you put that liner on and pop those lashes on, it's gonna bring the look so together. Just trust the process. Now you can definitely skip this step, but I decided to just put some white primer under my lower lash and just put that green on top, and then I went in with some brown as well just to kind of smoke it out a little bit, and it really like pumped up the look a whole lot more. So now I'm about to start on my base, and I did put the name of the products on the screen so it won't look like I'm just rubbing my face down over and over again. Our look is almost done. All we need to do is add our lips. Y'all give this look a try. It is so warm. It is so cozy and perfect for the fall time. Whether you're going out for the daytime or the nighttime, it's definitely a look that's gonna make somebody stop in their tracks. Like the camera is not even doing it. It's justice because in person, it is so beautiful. It is so matte. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.